Welcome guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change an app icon in Windows. First you're going to open File Explorer. You're going to copy this from the description and paste it right here and then press enter. This will open shortcuts to your programs. You might have noticed that not all of the apps that you have installed are found here, and that is because not all of their icons can be changed. So to change the icon, select the app that you want. I'll choose Google Chrome. Right click, click on Properties, and in the Shortcut tab, click on Change Icon. As you can see, there are already a couple of options that you can choose from. These are provided by Google Chrome. Not all apps have these options. And if you want to do your own custom image, then you're going to have to open a browser, go to a website called convertio.co, and you have to have the image ready. This website will just convert it to the ICO format, which is required to change the icon. So choose the file that you want to convert, click on ICO, and convert. Click on download, and it downloaded. So now I'll go back over here. This is in my downloads folder. So I'm going to click on browse, and I'm going to open the ICO file that I just downloaded. I'm going to click on OK, and OK. After that, as you can see, nothing has changed, and fixing this is pretty simple. Please make sure that you have the app that you're changing the icon for open to make this easier. So just right click on it, unpin from taskbar, right click again, and pin to taskbar. And it changed to the image that I chose. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, please share it with your friends and family. Please don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.